Okay, guys, so look, come zoom over here. Come around if you can, or come around however you want to do it. All right? So this is what we did, right? 4 bolts with 5/16, right? 5/16. We take out 3 bolts. We take out these. Boom, we push it this way. It brought this, which I'm going to install it correctly. The hour meter. So you need the key to make sure that when you plug it in, it's facing the right way. I just want to test it out, right? Then we turn the key on. Boom, flashing. So we take this stick out, and then we go right here. We click this one, and we click the other one. Easy, right? We put it this way. Boom. Now you got the hour meter there, right? Remember, guys, the 3 goes to the bottom. Now we take this out. Bada bing, bada boom. We don't need this right now. Grab this. I like to be perfect. So I'm not gonna say I don't gotta be perfect. It needs to be perfect on mine. Let's take this out of here. The 2 on top, 3 on the bottom. That in. These go right here. Boom. One goes right here. Boom. Boom. Right? That little lip goes inside. That little lip right there. That little lip goes inside. Boom. So far, we did an hour meter on it. We did the oil change. And the next thing we're going to do is mulch kit. Now, remember, guys, it's easy to do the oil change. When you first get a zero turn, it's recommended that after the 5-hour use, you have to get an oil change. Then after that, if for commercial use, you got to do it every 25 hours. For homeowner, you change it every 50 hours. Stay tuned. Mulching kit next. God bless you guys.